A pitot tube is used to measure A. Pressure, B. Difference in pressure, C. Velocity of flow, D. None of these. The correct answer is velocity of flow. The thickness of a sharp-crested weir is kept less than A. 1/3 of the height of water on the sill, B. 1/2 of the height of water on the sill, C. 1/4 of the height of water on the sill, D. 2/3 of the height of water on the sill. The correct answer is 1/2 of the height of water on the sill. The maximum vacuum created at the summit of a siphon is A. 2.7 m of water, B. 7.4 m of water, C. 5.5 m of water, D. None. The correct answer is 7.4 m of water. If the atmospheric pressure on the surface of an oil tank Sp. Gr 0.8 is 0.1 kilograms per centimeter 2, the pressure at a depth of 2.5 m is A. 1 meter of water, B. 2 meters of water, C. 3 meters of water, D. 3.5 meters of water. The correct answer is 3 meters of water. The total pressure force on a plane area is equal to the area multiplied by the intensity of pressure at its centroid, if A. Area is horizontal, B. Area is vertical, C. Area is inclined, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. If the volume of a liquid weighing 3000 kilograms is 4 cubic meters, 0.75 is its A. Specific weight, B. Specific mass, C. Specific gravity, D. None of these. The correct answer is specific gravity. A siphon is used A. to connect water reservoirs at different levels intervened by a hill, B. to supply water to a town from higher level to lower level, C. to fill up a tank with water at higher level from a lower level, D. None of these. The correct answer is to connect water reservoirs at different levels intervened by a hill. Unit of kinematic viscosity is A. m2 sec, B. Newton sec m2, C. Newton sec m3, D. kg sec m2. The correct answer is m2 sec. The ratio of maximum velocity to average velocity of viscous fluid through a circular pipe is A. 0.5, B. 0.75, C. 1.25, D. 2.00. The correct answer is 2.00. The shear stress distribution in viscous fluid through a circular pipe is A. Maximum at the center, B. Maximum at the inside of surface, C. Same throughout the section, D. None of these. The correct answer is same throughout the section. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. For tranquil flow H, 2G or V, B. For critical flow, C. For torrential flow H, or V, GH, D. None of these. The correct answer is for critical flow. The side slope of Cipolletti weir is generally kept A. 1 to 4, B. 1 to 3, C. 1 to 2, D. 1, 5. The correct answer is 1 to 4. A cylinder 3 m in diameter and 4 m long retains water one side as shown in the below figure. If the weight of the cylinder is 2000 kgf, the horizontal reaction at B is A. 10,000 kgf, B. 15,000 kgf, C. 20,000 kgf, D. 18,000 kgf. The correct answer is 18,000 kgf. The momentum correction factor for the viscous flow through a circular pipe is A. 1.25, B. 1.33, C. 1.50, D. 1.66. The correct answer is 1.33. A piezometer opening in pipes measures A. Velocity head, B. Static pressure, C. Total pressure, D. Negative static pressure. The correct answer is static pressure. An independent mass of a fluid does not possess A. Elevation energy, B. Kinetic energy, C. Pressure energy, D. None of these. The correct answer is pressure energy. While applying the Bernoulli's equation is equal to total head, the work any section done on the flow system, if any, A is added on the right side of the equation, B is added on the left side of the equation, C is ignored, D none of these. The correct answer is added on the left side of the equation. A short tube mouthpiece will not run full at its outlet if the head under which the orifice works is A. less than 12.2 m of the water, B. more than 12.2 m of the water, C. equal of 12.2 m of water, D. none of these. The correct answer is more than 12.2 m of the water. A pipe of 0.1 m2 cross-sectional area suddenly enlarges to 0.3 m2 cross-sectional area. If the discharge of the pipe is 0.3 m3 sec, the head loss is A. 2 gm of water, B. g2 m of water, C. 1 gm of water, D. gm of water. The correct answer is 2 gm of water. Maximum efficiency of transmission of power through a pipe is A. 25%, B. 33.3%, C. 50%, D. 66.67%. The correct answer is 66.67%. An ideal flow of a liquid obeys A. continuity equation, B. Newton's law of viscosity, C. Newton's second law of motion, D. dynamic viscosity law. The correct answer is continuity equation. Reynolds number is the ratio of initial force and A. viscosity, B. elasticity, C. gravitational force, D. surface tension. The correct answer is viscosity. When a body is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, it is buoyed up by a force equal to A. weight of the body, B. weight of the fluid displaced by the body, C. weight of the body and fluid displaced by the body, D. difference of weights of the fluid displaced and that of the body. The correct answer is weight of the fluid displaced by the body. If the total head of the nozzle of a pipe is 37.5 m and discharge is 1 cubic, the power generated is A. 400 HP, B. 450 HP, C. 500 HP, D. 550 HP. The correct answer is 500 HP. The phenomenon occurring in an open channel when a rapidly flowing stream abruptly changes to a slowly flowing stream causing a distinct rise of liquid surface is A. water hammer, B. hydraulic jump, C. critical discharge, D. none of these. The correct answer is hydraulic jump. The horizontal component of the force on a curved surface is equal to A. weight of liquid vertically below the curved surface, B. force on a vertical projection of the curved surface, C. product of pressure at its centroid and the area, D. weight of liquid retained by the curved area. The correct answer is force on a vertical projection of the curved surface. The radius of gyration of the waterline of a floating ship is 4 m and its metacentric height is 72.5 centimeters. The period of oscillation of the ship is A. B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. The empirical formula for discharge over large rectangular weirs is known as A. Francis formula. B. Bazin formula. C. Rahbuk formula. D. Kutter's formula. The correct answer is Bazin formula. Differential manometers are used to measure A. Pressure in water channels, pipes, etc. B. Difference in pressure at 2 points. C. Atmospheric pressure. D. Very low pressure. The correct answer is difference in pressure at 2 points. A tank 4mx3 mx2m containing an oil of specific gravity 0.83 is moved with an acceleration g2m sec2. The ratio of the pressures at its bottom when it is moving vertically up and down is A2, B3, C a half, D 1/3. The correct answer is 3. Highest dam in India is A. Bhakra Dam, B. Hirakund Dam, C. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, D. Idike Dam. The correct answer is Bhakra Dam.